Storm.
So my name's Jade. I'm currently studying a Bachelor of Event Management and I'm working in a creative agency called This Space. So something that I really liked about ICMS was the more personal connections. I really liked obviously the big selling point of the internship opportunity, but also just that there was a lot smaller classes, so I felt like I'm a much more hands-on learner. So I liked that the thought process of being in a classroom feeling like the lecturer was speaking to me, not just to a room full of people. And then obviously for me, it worked out very well that my lecturer started to know me very well and then recommended me to work here at This Space. So a typical day in a creative agency is a little bit different from a typical day in a corporate kind of setting. It can go anywhere from creating a proposal to working with the team on some creative brainstorming and concept ideas. It could be down in the warehouse talking to our operations team about what we think we need to do for an event or how we might build something. It could be anything with scheduling and logistics. So a huge mix between creating connections with your suppliers and your clients. Actually, when I graduated, I didn't really know what I wanted to do because I realized I'm a very creative person. I love to dance and I also love art, but I also am somebody who gets really motivated with change and not kind of being stuck in one thing. So I knew that I wanted to do a job that would allow me to kind of explore a lot of different opportunities and a lot of different options for different things. And so I thought events would be a really great thing. You're always going to be working with different clients, different venues, different suppliers, different concepts. Like there's no real stop as to what you can do. You can go so far beyond into any avenue and you'll always be doing something completely new and something very challenging. So I think in my classes, a lot of the content is related to the real world experiences. So you're able to really create that connection between what you've learnt in class and then what you're now facing within the industry. It doesn't feel like a very big unknown thing because you've already had that theory kind of practice in class. So you kind of know how to problem solve once you get there. I would say for someone who's hesitating if they should study at ICMS or not, definitely do it. It's very easy to kind of pick and choose the degree that will fit more for you. You get to do a lot of electives. So if you want to go down more of that fashion avenue or that sports avenue or accounting, you have the opportunity to do that. You're not just stuck to your core business subjects. You've got so much room for finding what you like to do and finding what your skill set could be, as well as the internship. That is another opportunity of you finding where your passions might lie and what you can do with that.